Do you feel tired all the time, struggle to recover after exercise, or find it hard to stay focused throughout the day? You might think you're eating healthy, but what if your body isn't getting enough of the building blocks it needs? Today, we'll cover 7 warning signs that may indicate your body isn't getting enough amino acids. Make sure to watch until the end because the last sign is one that many people ignore. If you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, your body may not be functioning at its best. Amino acids play an important role in many normal body processes, including muscle maintenance and energy metabolism. Do your muscles stay sore for days after a workout? Amino acids help support normal muscle repair and recovery. If your recovery seems unusually slow, your overall nutrition may deserve a closer look. If you're finding it harder to concentrate or stay mentally sharp, it could be related to several factors, including sleep, stress, or nutrition. Some amino acids are involved in producing neurotransmitters that support normal brain function. Hair loss or brittle nails. Hair and nails are largely made of protein. If they become weak or brittle, it may be a sign that your body isn't getting enough protein or other important nutrients. A healthy immune system depends on adequate nutrition. Not getting enough protein or essential nutrients may affect your body's ability to function normally. Sign number 6, low exercise performance. If activities that once felt easy now leave you exhausted, your body may need a closer look at your overall diet, hydration, sleep, and recovery habits. Feeling unusually irritable or lacking motivation can have many causes. Nutrition is just one of several factors that may influence how you feel day to day. It's important to remember that these signs are not specific to amino acid deficiency and can be caused by many different health conditions. If you're experiencing persistent symptoms, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional. To support your body's protein needs, include high-quality protein sources like eggs, fish, lean meat, dairy products, beans, lentils, and soy in your diet. If you're considering an amino acid supplement, consult your healthcare provider to determine what's appropriate for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more evidence-based health and nutrition content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.